Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda Shadow Phantom. V-twin, 750 cc's, liquid cooled, fuel injected, beautiful satin black paint. This thing's in gorgeous shape, only 8,300 miles. Wait till you hear those awesome Vance and Hines exhaust system. Shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Come on by, make your Honda VT 750 Cruiser dreams come true. This awesome Phantom for just $69.99. This bike's not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.